wabarakatuh.
We are from the Praise. My name is Jaya.
I'm Sakina Turania. My name is Jalan Mayanti.
And I am Rehan Rahmatillahi. In this broadcast, we will review about the video from YouTube. So,
Enjoy the video!
Okay, well, I think that's a good video, but there are several lots, there are several weaknesses from this video. That what mistakes did you get from this video?
A lot of mistakes. And they have a lot of mispronunciation. Like they say assignment.
Oh, they said assignment.
Yes.
Okay, so what should we say?
Assignment.
Oh, assignment, but not
Not
assignment.
assignment, but assignment.
Oh, okay. That's about the pronunciation.
Yes. And I also find in English. They said English.
Oh, they said English. So the correct is
English.
English. Oh.
The S is the
Okay.
Maybe you have something to talk about this video. Maybe for
Yeah, I think I got the girl say that hour. They said hour.
So what's the right?
Sorry, no. Howard. Howard. They want to say jam. Howard, but the correct pronunciation is hour. So I think that's the mistake from that.
Also, this, watch this. There's a two feet and jump. Not feet,
2 feet. Yeah,
not
yeah.
feet. We should say fine. To find and jump, not to feet and jump.
Yeah, absolutely. Fine.
What else?
Okay, so this one, there is a K, but actually they want to say calm.
And I think someone in this video, like, what's it called? Invite people to come in somewhere. But the other said come. Maybe they can say let's go, not come. It's
Yeah, there is another way to say when you want to invite the people, not only say come, but it is better for you to say let's go.
What about the grammar?
Yeah, I think there is one correct pronunciation that I got, that is there, but they didn't say there, but they said there.
They're in Sana.
Yeah, there, that's mean di sana. But when we say there, that's mean di sana. But actually, the correct pronunciation is there. Yeah, there. Yeah, not there, but there.
So this is Sana. They're say six.
Oh, see, they
Right,
said
6 second, like 6 second gitu.
Oh.
But the correct is SIGHT, psych, not sick.
Okay, so yeah, I think that's a common problem for a listener in Indonesia, that our son cannot be fluent to say something at English like vocabulary and something like that.
But I think this video, they grammar this video is so good. Maybe this is a mispronunciation in some words.
Yeah, but the grammar is cool, but there is some incorrect pronunciation in this video. So I think that's good for us. Thanks so
And
much.
also thank you for your sharing.
Okay. Thanks so much for your time. Okay, so see you in the next. Because we have class tomorrow, right? Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye.
that's all from us. Thanks for watching our video. Ikan hiu muter-muter. See you later.